Hi everyone, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations, and I've got the continued video of my ephemera storage. So as I showed in the previous video, it was just a plain desk organizer. So this is what I did to it, and I think it turned out wonderful. Gives it a beautiful look to it. So, I didn't tape video how the steps I did it, but I'll tell you right now, it is so easy. So this paper here is actually Current. The card company called Current, C-U-R-R-E-N-T, and this was a wrapping paper. It was very thick. So what I did is I just made a template. I just took a piece of paper and I creased the edges and then drew a line and got my size for it and just roughly cut it out. So then all I did then was I sat it this way. And matter of fact, you can set these organizers like this to be little shelves to put like your punches or whatever. So this is very versatile, so don't pass these up at your thrift stores or garage sales. So then I took that piece of paper and I Mod Podged or glue, PVA glue, whatever you have, and just took a brush and brushed it down, put my paper down and pressed it down. That was it. And I left an overhang. And so I left this edge longer because I wanted it to be a rough sawn edge to it. So then after it dried, I just took a razor blade and at an angle, went all the way across and tore it off. And then I took some more glue, and just like dabbed the edges so that it seals these edges here. And that's all I did. That is all I did for this. Very simple project that you can turn your ephemera storage or tag storage or whatever into something really pretty. Now, you can do the insides here as well with paper, but I kind of wanted to have some wood showing. So I basically just did, like the frontal view of it. And then of course, keep all your scraps, because then you can use your scraps for collaging. And so I wasted nothing on this. I wasted nothing, so I kept all of it. So anyways, I just wanted to show you my DIY storage. And like I said, you can turn it that way, and it can be little shelves at your desk, for all your tools or whatnot. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and share if you will. And everyone have a great day.